Because I wanted to show you this red light therapy massager that I received from the company. I have a lot of these and I love this one. I think the quality is really nice. It's made great. It just like has this nice handle on it. It doesn't feel cheap. It just feels very luxurious and high quality. It comes with three different lights, which are explained in the packet that it comes with. It has red, blue, and green. I use all three. And then also at these points, you can use on like different pressure points on your face or your neck. Personally, I use this every night before I go to bed. I put on some serum and then I use it. I also use it on my neck. Great product. Really happy with it. I'm glad I have it. I will absolutely use this all the time. It feels really good. It heats up also, which is nice. So you can see the different colors. Comes with like a guard for it so you can keep it nice and clean. Definitely give this a try if you're looking for one. You can see like it really does, you know, do a good part of my face all at once, which is nice. It kind of like saves time. I personally love this. Really happy that I have it. It's nice, like luxurious feeling, like kind of like a spa facial at home.